Weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, we started out Monday in the Billings area with some new snow showers, and you kind of see a little snow out here as well. This is a picture from Lynn Richardson. Look at the sun setting tonight. You can see behind there's Hart Mountain. Boy, just perfectly positioned for that. Cool looking shot, huh, Glenn? Meanwhile, take a look at this shot. Kathy Leduc, she couldn't have made a better picture if she had posed each one of these individual horses. This is over there by Baker. What a beautiful picture. What beautiful animals, huh? Meanwhile, let's move on and show you what's happening at Billings tonight. Hey, you can see the snow on some of the rooftops, and the streets are still getting a little slick. Wherever the snow had melted today, and we didn't get a lot of traffic to whip it dry, we literally now have ice on those streets, especially in some of the residential areas. So please be very careful tomorrow morning, because right now we're at 31 degrees. We're going to get even colder tonight, and those streets are going to freeze even harder. The wind is calm right now, so that's why our feels like temperature is the same as our current temperature. And as you'll see here, our high temp today was 32, which is right at freezing. The normal high for this time of year is 35. The record 56 back in 1962. The record low was 18 below back in 2008. And that sunset today, that was at 4:30. And when it comes to precip, we picked up a little bit today. 1500s takes us to 4/10 for the month, which we're finally ahead of normal for December. For the year, we're at 1321. Need to be at 1340, so we're still a little bit behind there. But as you'll see here, our current temperatures are into the 20s, teens, and some 30s over in the west. McAllispell at 30 degrees right now. We're still into the teens at Butte and at Dillon. Back here in northeastern Montana, also into the teens. But look at Miles City. Did we knock off a number there? No, they're at 7 degrees right now. Yeah, it's 31 over in Billings, so we've got some cool air kind of lingering in the eastern edge of the state right now. Look at our reported highs today, only into the teens and 20s back here. So yeah, it could be 7 degrees there. You know, a lot in the west, only into the 20s and 30s there as well. So not the warmest day we've seen in a while, but we're in transitional mode. We're going to actually be warming up the next few days. In the meantime, Doppler radar shows you a few lingering snow showers over here in the Prairies and the Bighorn Mountains. We did have a little bit of light snow over there in the Beartooths, but right now it looks like even those are starting to fade away. As we pull back, you can see the big story, big upper level trough across much of the Four Corner states, and there's another batch of the jet stream up here. This is the polar jet just kind of shooting past us right now. So Montana kind of in between weather disturbances. This low is cut off from the main jet stream, so it's just kind of sitting and spinning, going around. We think it may eventually start moving back up towards the north again, but let me show you what's happening at the surface. We had the cold air push down here today, a little warm air back here, still some scattered snow showers in Wyoming, but this high pressure cell here is going to start moving its way closer to Montana. As it does so, it's going to start pushing some of that coldest air back up into Canada by Tuesday afternoon. By Tuesday evening, well, we got some more snow showers moving into the west, but then here comes some more cold air dropping down from Canada on Wednesday, and you see the warm air here east of the divide by Wednesday morning, but then watch what happens. Here comes that cool air pushing back down. I don't think it's going to make it to the Billings area. I think the whole thing will just kind of come close to us and just kind of slide off into the plains. Another system moving onshore, producing scattered rain and snow showers there as well. But here's what we're going to see when it comes to snowfall. We're not expecting much here, maybe just some light snow over at Bozeman and in the Livingston area. Outside of that, we're not expecting much. Most of us staying in the mountains. Tonight we'll cool back down into the teens, some low 20s around the region, so really one of the colder nights we've seen in a while. And you'll see partly cloudy skies back here in the east, kind of clearing skies out around the Billings area and farther to the north. Then for tomorrow, we're back to the 20s and 30s around the region, 39 at Forsyth, 40 over at Sheridan. You'll see 35 in Billings, but look at the snow showers moving into the Beartooths tomorrow. But tonight, here's what you'll see in Billings. Mostly cloudy skies, 17 degrees next 7 days. It's going to look like this. It will be 35 degrees and sunny and breezy on Tuesday. Look for some blowing and drifting snow there. Wednesday, 42 degrees with mostly sunny skies. By Thursday, 42 and mostly cloudy skies. Friday, 39. Then over the weekend, some breezy conditions will warm us back up to 46 and 50 degrees on Sunday. And then on Monday, back up to about 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. And that's a look at the weather. Let's go back to Russ.